Hi, I'm Jason, and in this video, we're going to show you how to measure a bag filter. The size and length of a bag filter is very important. The size, length, and quantity of pockets is critical to ensure they fully inflate without either being too small to function correctly or so big that they touch other components within the filter housing, which again could prevent them from working properly. The metal header frame should also be measured for height, width, and thickness. Always measure the pocket length, including the metal header frame. You may be able to select a standard size filter that is within plus or minus 25mm of your measurement. If you require a very specific size, we can always design and make a bespoke filter for your individual needs. This not only ensures the filter will fit in your ventilation system, but it will perform to maximum effect. Please always remember that pockets should always be installed vertically, just like this.